So I'm at Granite West Haven unloading emulsion. It's a little different than where we're used to unloading, because normally we're over there unloading asphalt, right? But when you're doing emulsion, you're over on this side. It's got this different setup. And I wanted to point out a couple things because this is a slightly different setup than most places. I'm hooked up unloading right now, and I intentionally did it that way so that you could see how things are supposed to look as you unload. So when you first get here, of course, hook up your hose and get connected to your trailer. You're gonna need to open 2 valves before you turn on the system. The first valve is right here. This is a 3-way valve. 3-way valves are a little tricky because it can be a little hard to know which way you're turning it so that the oil goes the right direction. So I'm unloading right now. It's got paint on here, but in case this paint wears off, there are these 2 notches, okay? These are the raised parts, and it's going into the pump with the hose. So that's how you need to turn that valve. If you get this wrong, you can push oil out the top here, and that would make a huge mess. So if you have questions, ask the plant operator. The second valve is right here, up against the tank. Make sure that's open. Once those are open, you come around to the back side here. This will be in the off position. Where the hole is, that's where it's pointing to. So I've got it on unload truck right now. When you get here, it should be in the off position. You'll have to turn it to unload truck, of course. Then you come, you turn the key to the on position, and then you press this button to start pumping. And then just check, look inside your trailer, make sure everything is going down and that you've got everything set up right. That should give you an overview so that you can feel comfortable knowing you've got everything plumbed in the right way so you can unload safely. Other than that, just make sure you have suction, open your valve, start unloading. So I finished, I'm all done. Simply unhook your hose, hang it up and over the arm like that. Next, you close that valve. You see how I turned it? Now the humps are pointing this way. Close my valve up there. I came around here and I'm off. Turn the key off. Everything's done. You're good to go.